Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hometainment. Today's recipe is beef gola kebab. For this recipe, ingredients are given in the description box. Here I have ground coriander, mace, nutmeg and cumin seeds. We need beef mince about 500 grams, salt 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, meat tenderizer half teaspoon, black pepper corn powder half teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients with your hand. Beef mince should have 5 to 10% or maximum 20% of fats. It will help in sticking the mince together. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and add about 2 medium sized onions. Onions should have no water in them. Now chop green chilies with fresh green coriander and mint. Now add spices, mix mince in the chopper and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This chopping will help in formation of dough-like structure. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This will help in emulsification of mince fat and stabilize the content to make perfect kebabs that won't break. Now add Jaifal Javitri, cumin seeds and coriander seeds powder that we have made earlier and mix again all the ingredients thoroughly. After mixing, let it rest for 2 hours. This will help in tenderizing the meat to fry out easily. Now it's time to make kebabs. Make balls of the mince of some equal size. I am using this knife sharpener to make kebabs one by one. This looks like gola and with a hole inside. All the kebabs are ready for cooking. Now take a pan and add some oil, vegetable oil. You can use butter or ghee. Add all the kebabs one by one in the medium hot oil and let it cook from one side for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid changing side again and again to prevent it from breaking. After 10 minutes, change its side. One side is cooked and ready, and after cooking other side, kebabs are ready to serve. Serve it hot with green chutney, raita or naan. Thanks for watching.